So I've been involved in the make money online niche for a long time. All right. So with that being said, I'm fully aware that a lot of people don't like the make money online niche. They don't like getting into it. And to be honest with you, I completely understand. Now, there's no secret that there are tons of niches out there that you can get involved with if you're into affiliate marketing, or even if you want to create your own product, right? There's many niches. But for whatever reason, all right, the make money online niche, which is a very popular niche, for whatever reason, they attract two types of people. For the most part, they attract two types of people. The first one is skeptics. All right, these are people that they say they want to make money online. They search all the time. They on YouTube. They on Google. How can I make $5,000 a month? How can I make $10,000 a month? How can I become rich? Right? And then every damn result that they see, every video that they watch, they got some negative shit to say about it. Oh, that shit ain't real. Oh, that's a scam. Nah, that don't sound right. That ain't legit. Right? Like everything. It don't matter what it is. Now, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of bullshit online, but there's a lot of good, legit stuff online. And that brings me to the second type of person that the make money online niche, for whatever reason, attracts. And that is lazy people. All right. So just like with the first one, you got people, they're like, yo, I'm sick of the 9-to-5 shit. I'm sick of the rat race. I want to make money online. I want to be my own boss, right? I want to work when I want. I want financial freedom. And every result that they get, everything that they see, they're like, oh shit, I don't got time for that, right? Or what's better than that, they'll buy a course. They'll buy a $27 course. They might even buy a $100 course, right? And they feel excited about buying it because what was the effort it took, right? To put in your credit card information or debit card. It took very little effort to buy a course. The problem is when people open that bitch up and go through it and they're like, oh my God, like I gotta send out emails. I gotta start a emailing list. Oh man, I ain't got time for that. Damn, this shit gonna take 2 hours to do. I ain't got that. You know what I'm saying? But yet and still, these are the same people that you want to be your own boss, right? You want to make money online. You want to create financial freedom, all that stuff you hear about. But yet and still, you don't want to do a damn thing to make that happen. All right? So this is why a lot of people, when they get into making money online, they don't want to mess with the make money online niche, because every person that they're promoting to or marketing to, they're either skeptical or they're lazy. All right. And this is why, and another niche that's similar to it, but not as bad as the make money online niche, is the fitness industry. Because you got people that's like, yo, I want to lose weight. I want to lose 30 pounds in the next month. Right. So then they'll see all these little diets and all this stuff and programs. And the first thing they're going to do is be skeptical. Oh, I don't know. That workout ain't really, I don't see me losing weight doing that shit. Right? And then the other part goes into lazy. Like you see something that you believe that can work. You know it can work, but it involves you working out 4 times a week. You know what I'm saying? For 30-minute sessions. It requires you to cut your calories down. So people are like, shit. I don't know. But I digress. The make money online niche is a dope ass niche when you attract the right people. And when you are the right person, you have to have the right mindset. Like, I don't know why so many people search for things and everything they see, it's a scam, it ain't legit, or it's not gonna work, blah, 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 blah. You wasting time, right? Because the truth is, there are people really making money online. I make money online, right? It's real. But what's also real is the effort that you're gonna have to put in to actually see any real results. There's no real way around that. I have to be willing to put in that work. You have to be willing to be able to do a lot of shit and not get anything in return at first, right? You have to have that mindset. You have to understand that this making money online thing is not the 9-to-5 world, where if you put in 5 hours on a YouTube video, you guaranteed $20 an hour. It ain't like that. You might put in 100 hours making YouTube videos and not earn anything. That's part of the game. That's part of being an entrepreneur. That's part of building your financial freedom. You got to go through the bullshit to get to where you want to be, right? So that's the reason why I feel a lot of people hate the make money online niche. This niche attracts skeptics and lazy ass people. But hopefully that ain't you.